That boy teething so much he gotta bite himself while he's sleeping. Aww. Look at him. Look at him. We are officially at the teething stage, and we got one more to go. This dude definitely gave his brother a boost out of the basket. Look how tiny little man is. Big dog went and gave his brother a boost. I woke up at 4 o'clock. They both walking around. I'm gonna see if I can catch him in there. Look at him. He know when to perform. He know exactly what to perform. Look. See what he do. I'm telling you, I love these dogs. Let him sleep. Come here. Let him sleep. Come on. Go to the bathroom. He not. Come here. Nipsey. Nip. He about to do it. There you go, boy. Come on. Undefeated for today, except for the poop. Come on, boy. There you go. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Good boy. Come here. Come on. Don't eat the poop, bro. We'll go get you some food in a second. Show me some love and I got you. I'll make that happen right now, B. I'll make that happen right now, B. We'll go eat right now, homie. Mm-hmm. Look at you. Look at you. Look, you yawning and biting.